Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. I'm sorry the environment's a little bit strange, but we've got here the Microsoft Surface mobile mouse. Now this is actually going to be my new mouse that I'm going to be using on a daily basis, just because I wanted a Bluetooth mouse, and this is nice, portable, yeah, and it's a lot better than the old Logitech that I had before. So let's look at the back. So it's compatible with Windows 10, it's got Bluetooth, uses 2 AAA batteries, so yeah. Let's open this thing up. Alright. Oh, come on. Look at that. Yes. Alright, moment of truth. Ooh. And there it is. Let's take that out of its tray. Oh, you see we got a little pull tab here for the battery, and it's already kicked into Bluetooth pair mode. So, what's cool about this is that this, the battery door is actually magnetic, so it easily pops in and out, and you get a couple of Duracells included. Let's give it a nice feel. Oh, that feels nice. Okay, now let's take a look at the rest of the package. So, basic warranty stuff, Microsoft, yeah, we don't need that, and don't need that either. So yeah. This is the mouse. Let's get this all other stuff out of the way. So yeah, this actually feels really nice in the hand. It's nice size, and it's probably not the most comfortable mouse in the world, but if you're going to be using this as like a mouse to use with like your laptop or something, this is actually really nice. And this also works with iPads such as the iPad 7th generation, which I will be doing a review on soon. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching this quick video of unboxing the Microsoft Surface mobile mouse. If you guys enjoyed it, thumbs up, like, subscribe, stuff like that. And we'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.